Hi friends, myself Bubul. I welcome you all to our channel Marks Grow With Us. Through this channel, we have uploaded some educational video, and this is our second video on this topic, that is coordinate geometry. This is a part of class 10 mathematics. We have already uploaded one video on this chapter, coordinate geometry. In that video, we have uploaded how we can calculate the distance between 2 points. If we have given 2 points, suppose A and B, then we can calculate the distance between them. And we have uploaded how we can calculate this in our previous video. So go to our description and look at what we have given in that video. Then you will get easy to calculate this section formula. Okay, so in this video we are going to find out what is section formula. Section formula means, suppose we have given 2 points. One is A with coordinate x1 and y1, another one is B with coordinate x2 and y2. Suppose a point P divides this line segment AB into two sections. One is AP and another one is PB in the ratio of m:1. Then we need to calculate the coordinate of this point P in terms of x and y. Then we can calculate this coordinate of this point with the help of coordinate of A, coordinate of B, and in the help of ratio m and m. So we are going to find what is the formula to find out the position of this point P, x, y. So the formula will be, so we are going to find out directly the solution, what is the formula of this P point. So formula of this point is mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n, and my2 plus my1 divided by m plus 1. So through this formula we can calculate the position of this point P, which divides the line segment in the ratio of m:n. Here m is the ratio, this is m and this is n. So we can, with the help of this formula, we can calculate the position of a point if it divides a line segment into two sections. So let's try one example with the help of this equation. Suppose we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 7.2 of class 10 mathematics. So what we have given in this problem, we have given 2 points. One is -1, 7, and another one is 4. Another one is 4, -3. This is suppose A, and this is suppose B. And we have given the ratio, that is 2:3. And we can draw this in this figure. So let's draw. A is given with coordinate -1 and 7, and B is given with coordinate 4, -3. And here m and n will be replaced by 2 and 3. So what we have given in this problem, we have given point A with coordinate -1 and 7, point B with coordinate 4 and -3, and we have given ratio, that is 2:3. And now we need to find out the coordinate of this point P if it divides the line segment in the ratio of 2:3. So we are going to calculate this coordinate of this point P, x, y with the help of this equation. So this is very important equation to find out section formula. Okay, so how we are going to calculate? So for this we can write like this: x1 is equal to coordinate of this A, and this is -1, and x2 is the x coordinate of the point B, so this is 4, and y1 is the y coordinate of the point A, so this is 7, and y2 is the y coordinate of the point B, so this is -3. And here m is 2 and n is 3. So we have given all these 6 things. So with the help of these things, we can calculate the position of this point P. Okay, so formula was m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus 1. The value of m, x2, x1, y1, y2 all are given. So we are just going to put all this value in this formula. So m plus n means 2 plus 3. So m means 2, x2 means this is 4, plus n means 3, and x1 means this is minus 1. Okay. Next, m plus n means 2 plus 3. This is m means 2 into y2 means minus 3, plus n means 3, and y1 means this is 7. Okay. Next, what will happen? 2 plus 3, 5, 4 into 2, 8, plus into minus. So plus into minus means minus, 3 into 1, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 into minus 3 means minus 6, plus 3 into 7. So this is 21. So what we will get? 8 minus 3 means 5. Here 5. Again 21 minus 6 means 15 divided by 5. So this will result in 1 and 3. So we got the position of this point pxy. So position of this point is going to be 1 and 3. So we have given a problem with the coordinate of A and B. We have given the ratio, in which ratio the point P divides the line segment AB, and we calculate what is the coordinate of this point P13 with the help of this formula. So this is called section formula, and with this help of this formula we can calculate the position of a point if it divides a line segment into two sections. Okay, so two special cases with this video. And what are these? Number one, if this point is going to be divide this line segment into two equal parts, that is, if P is the midpoint of this line segment AB, then what will be the formula of this point? That is, if P divides the line segment AB into 1:1 ratio, value of m is going to be 1 and value of n is going to be 1, then what will be the formula of this point P? So then we can calculate according to previous formula. So here we are going to substitute 1 and 1 in place of m and n. So this is 1 and 1. So 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1, and 1 plus 1, 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1. So this is going to be 2 x2 plus x1 and 2 y2 plus y1. Or we can write like this: x1 plus x2, 2 y1 plus y2. So if we have given that P is the midpoint of this line segment, then what will be the formula of this point P? This is simple. Just we will add the x coordinate and we will divide by 2, and we will add y coordinate of the 2 points, then we will divide by 2. This is the midpoint. This is the coordinate if P is going to be the midpoint of the line segment AB. Okay. Another special case is that if we do not provide the ratio in which the line segment is divided, that is, we have given 2 points and we have given a point, but it is not said that in what ratio P divide the line segment AB. Then what we are going to do? We are going to suppose that P divided the line segment in the ratio of k is to 1. So then the position of the P will be, so value of m will be k and value of n will be 1 if we do not provide the ratio. Okay, then in place of k, m and n we are going to write k plus 1, and in place of m we are going to write k. So this will be kx2 plus x1, and this is k plus 1 ky2 plus y1. So this is all about section formula. Here we have discussed how we can derive the section formula. Then we have solved one problem with this formula. Then we have discussed two special cases along with this formula. So I hope you all like this video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.